Hi, this is Jordan with Good Sports Outdoor Outfitters. Thank you for tuning into our Tech Minute. So we're in South Texas and everybody pretty much carries a knife. It's an open carry kind of state anyway, so if you wanted to carry a gun, you're allowed to anyway. But let's go back to knives. Personal preference is what drives this product. I have small hands and I prefer a really thick, heavy knife. It's all personal preference. Whether you want fixed blade, folding blade, auto, or manual, it all comes down to what you feel like is comfortable in your pocket or in your hand. So I personally carry a Benchmade AFO 2. I like the guttiness of it, the heaviness of it. It's just a personal thing that I like in my hand. We carry ultralight knives. The Bug Out is their new knife and it is super lightweight. I don't like that. It feels like a toy in my hand. I like something with some thickness to it. It's just a matter of comfort in the hand. Call us at 210-694-0881 so we can discuss, or visit goodsports.com for more details. I look forward to serving you.